Don't you just love magnifying glasses? I had this objective lens from an old pair of binoculars. A good lens, and so I decided to make it into a folding magnifying glass. I started by milling the general outline of the lens housing, then refining the shape on the drum sander. Next, I started shaping the cover plates. I had to reduce the diameter of the lens just a fraction. Then I began forming the tailpiece. I inserted a metal dimple in the lens housing to engage the detente closing mechanism. I glued the tailpiece to one of the cover plates, then checked the fit of things so far. Here I am turning the lens retaining rings and shaping the screw heads. I assembled the basic components to refine the shape and the contours. And here it is, fully assembled with an oil finish. Don't you love it when things work out?